Have you ever watched a tiny snail inch across a garden path? It looks like it's moving in slow motion. Why are snails so incredibly slow? Let's dive into their slimy, slow world to find out. Snails are everywhere. Gardens, forests, ponds, even oceans. They carry their homes on their backs and leave a shiny trail behind. That silvery trail is a clue to their secret way of moving. Almost like skating on a slippery slide they make themselves. But why does this make them so slow? It's a mix of clever reasons. For snails, being slow is a smart strategy. It saves energy, keeps them safe, and helps them find food. Their slowness is a superpower, not a weakness. Ready to become a snail detective? Let's uncover the secrets behind their slow journey. So, what is a snail? It's a soft-bodied animal called a mollusk, cousin to slugs and clams. Its most famous feature? That beautiful swirly shell. It's not just for show, it's a portable fortress. When danger comes, the snail pulls its whole body inside for protection. The shell is made of tough calcium carbonate and grows with the snail. Snails don't have legs or wings. Instead, they move on one long, muscular foot. This foot ripples with tiny waves, pushing the snail forward slowly. But the real secret to their movement is slime. Snails produce slippery mucus that lets them glide over rough surfaces, even razor blades, without harm. So, a snail is a soft mollusk with a shell, a single strong foot, and its own slime-making machine. All these parts work together perfectly, making the snail slow but incredibly well adapted. It's nature's brilliant design for life in the slow lane. Why are snails so slow? First, their heavy shell. Imagine carrying your house everywhere. That shell is great for protection, but it's a lot of weight for a small body to drag. Second, snails have just one foot. Unlike us, they can't run. They move with tiny muscle waves, inching forward bit by bit. Third, moving slowly helps them stay hidden from predators and saves energy. Fast movement would use up too much energy and make them easy targets. Making slime and carrying a shell is hard work, so slow and steady wins the race. Their slowness isn't a flaw, it's a survival strategy. The heavy shell, single foot, and need to save energy all work together. Snails are built for slow, careful journeys. That's what makes them unique in the animal kingdom. Snails may be slow, but they have some amazing superpowers. They love rain. Moisture helps them move and keeps their bodies from drying out. Some snails can hibernate for up to 3 years when it's too hot or dry, sealing themselves in their shells until better weather returns. Their tentacles are super sensors. The long pair has eyes for sensing light, and the short pair helps them feel and smell. If a tentacle gets damaged, it can regrow. Snails live almost everywhere. Gardens, rainforests, deserts, even deep in the ocean. Some are tiny as sand grains, others as big as your hand. These slow movers are true survivors, thriving all over the world. Time for a quick snail quiz. Ready? First, what's the slippery stuff snails make to help them move? Answer: slime. Next, why does carrying a shell make snails slow? Because the shell is very heavy. Last one, how long can some snails hibernate? Up to 3 years. If you got those right, you're a snail expert. These facts show just how special snails are. Their slime, heavy shell, and hibernation skills help them survive. Great job, snail detective! We've solved the mystery! Snails are slow because of their heavy shells, single foot, and clever energy-saving ways. Every part of a snail is part of a brilliant survival plan. Next time you see a snail, stop and watch its journey. It's an adventure, even if it's just crossing a stone. Snails remind us that being slow can be powerful. In our fast world, they teach us to slow down and notice nature's wonders. There's strength in being steady and careful. Remember the snail's lesson. Take your time, observe, and discover the amazing secrets all around you.